Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Todo deny na si Marcoleta na gusto niyang i-give up yung Kalayaan Group of Islands. Ayan mga kababayan, no? Marcoleta denies call to give up KIG. Marcoleta, one of the so-called Chinator, denied proposing to give up the Kalayaan Group to China even as his own words appeared to argue for giving up control of the islands. Nonodon ka talaga, Marcoleta. Manang-mana ka sa amo mo na pro-China. Ang sinabi ngayon, bukas o mamaya, iba na, baliktad na. Recorded. Nagkalat na. Sinumpa ka na kasi ng ating mga mamamayang Filipino. Other than yung mga katulad mo. Na mga chinitor, paganga ng mga chinitors, na mga DDS. Di ba? Booking na kayo lahat. Kasumpa-sumpa. Sabi ko nga mga kababayan, dapat dito sa mga chinitors na to, sila ang isurrender sa China. Tulad ng pag-surrender kay Digong sa, sa Dahig, para tapos na. I-deliver din isang barko ng mga pro-China na mga Filipino, headed by the chinitors. Siyam na mga chinitors. Di ba po? Todo deny po. Sabi dito, speaking during the Senate plenary session, Marcoleta said his remarks were taken out of context, explaining that he was merely trying to reinforce the argument regarding the KIG in the West Philippine Sea. Hindi ko sinasabi na i-give up natin. I am only trying to reinforce the argument na hindi at imposible natin gawin sapagkat atin ang teritoryo pero sa tubig hindi natin pwedeng itagos ang baselines dahil magkakasalan tayo at lalabag po tayo sa United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea mismo. Anong lalabag? Sinasabi mo, ang issue dyan sa West Philippine Sea, mismong yung UNCLOS, may arbitral ruling na yung UNCLOS. Ayaw i-recognize ninyo. Kasi yung linya ng propaganda ng China yung inyo pong pinangawakan at posisyon ni Digong na hindi nirespeto. Hindi nirespeto ang arbitral ruling. Gusto pang itapon na lang sa basurahan. Malinaw po yun sa amin. Pagkatapos mga kababayan, kanina, nagkainitan si Pangilinan at saka si isa pang chinitor, Alan Peter Cayetano. Yan mga kababayan, sabi dito, Senators Kiko Pangilinan and Alan Peter Cayetano traded sharp words over a caricature of Chinese President Xi Jinping used by Commodore J. Tariela, with Cayetano calling it rude and Pangilinan defending it as a response to China's statement. Session was then suspended following the tense exchange of the two. Yung caricature daw, pambabastos na ginawa ni Tariela sa leader ng China. Nagsalita kayo ng ganyan. Nag-react ba kayo ng bastusin ni Digong? Pinagmumura pa, bastusin yung Santo Papa at bastusin si Barack Obama? Paggawain ng idol ninyo, wala kayong sinasabi. Ngayon si Tariela, memes lang yung ginawa ni Tariela para, kini-question yung memes. Pambabastos daw mga kababayan. Naging sensitive kayo sa ganyan. Pero yung mga trolls nga, mga kababayan ng China, kung gumawa ng mga caricature ng mga Filipino leaders, diba? Pati yung mga kaalyado ninyo na mga DDS influencers, kung gawa ng caricature yung ating Pangulo, grabe. Wala kayong reaction sa pambabastos sa first couple. Ginawan pa mga kababayan ng mga bastos na yun, malaswa. Lahat ng uri ng pambabastos. Pero ito, memes lang mga kababayan. Ni Xi Jinping, to the rescue agad kayo. Anyway, pakinggan natin mga kababayan yung balitaktakan ng dalawang senador. Isang senator at isang senador ng Pilipinas. Para klaro po sa atin. Si Pangilinan, senador ng Pilipinas. Yung kadibati niya po, senator.
That may be one of the issues raised, but I don't think it began with that, Mr. President.
Mr. President, because bago po yung yung Chinese ambassador eh. So, all the disputes with the former ambassador, kung meron man, was covered by the 19th Congress eh. Kompleto naman tayo ng resolution eh. So, lumala ito nung nagkaroon ng caricature regarding the president of China. So, asan yung side by side? Pakita mo. So, siguro ito question ko. Let's, with your permission, Mr. President, Senator Pangilinan, let's focus on Commodore Tariela muna, no? Let me state this for the record muna, ha? I don't doubt his patriotism. I don't doubt his contribution to the cause. At lahat ng ginawa niya na opisyal at tama, wala akong problema. Okay. This is one picture. Pero nasan yung picture ni Presidente na nung sa ASEAN ba yon o sa APEC? Hindi, yung nilapitan niya bigla si President Xi. Meron ka nun, di ba? Ito muna. Ano sa dalawa ang opisyal ng Pilipinas? Yung mag-usap tayo, magdebate, ipaglaban natin atin, pero sa simbolo ng watawat at sa simbolo ng Pangulo ng bawat bansa, cordial tayo, or ang official ba natin ay umikot tayo at gumawa tayo ng mga caricature at siraan natin ang image ng presidente ng kabila? Which is our official policy?
If I may just clarify, Mr. President, because the mention of the caricature. Mr. President, according to the information, the caricature came out January 14. But even before that, Mr. President, I publicly came up with a statement expressing concern about the military exercises, live military exercises undertaken by China in the Taiwan Straits. That was in December. And there, Mr. President, I was called out by the Chinese embassy spokesperson saying, reminding me that I should respect the one China policy. And so the issue of Tariela cannot be isolated, Mr. President.
Okay. So,
and therefore, if I answer this, it is simplifying, Mr. President, the whole resolution into Tariela's statements. No, it's not, Mr. President.
Mr. President, I'll go to the one China policy later on and why you were called out. Because if you remember, the president himself was called out.
Exactly,
But not
Mr.
by
President.
no, because that's their duty.
Well, and this is our duty to respond.
Yes.
Mr. President. Yes.
Yes, it's your duty to respond, Mr. President. But
To uphold the rights, to uphold our independence, to uphold our freedom of speech, Mr. President.
yes, Mr. President, but one of the red lines of China in their diplomatic relations with any country, including the United States, is the one China policy. That's why when the Speaker of the House of US went to Taiwan, they were called out. And there was no issue.
Mr. President,
and they called, Mr. President, let me finish.
Yes.
They called, and there was a debate. When President Bongbong said we have to prepare, President BBM, nag-statement. So, wala namang issue eh. Eto stand natin, eto stand nila.
except that,
What's
Mr.
the
President,
issue there?
my experience with Chinese statements, Mr. President, is that they tend to be inaccurate, or they tend to make wrong, false accusations. Mr. President, I was chairperson of the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats. Our organization was blacklisted by China. And the accusation was that the Council of Asian Liberals and Democrats, of which I was chairperson, was supporting Taiwanese independence, which was a lie, Mr. President. So I have had experience with Chinese public statements that are false because it serves their interests to promote their one China policy. We respect their one China policy. When I expressed concern about the live military exercise, I did not speak about Taiwan's independence, or I did not speak about, at least from my point of view, it had nothing to do with the one China policy. We were just expressing concern that the live military exercises are creating tension and escalating tension in our region. There was no mention of one China policy, and then they come in and then remind me.
No, Mr. President.
That
That is a standard reminder because they consider Taiwan and the waters in between to be part of China. So, put it another way, Mr. President. Sa kainitan ng secession movement ng Mindanao, kung may statement ang isang opisyal ng China dahil nagpadala tayo ng military sa Marawi, hindi ba ang diplomats natin sa Beijing sasabihin din sa kanila, huwag kayong makialam. Kasi one Philippines to eh. Ang Mindanao ay hindi independent.
Mr. President, I beg to disagree with the comparison. I think, again, ano yan, Atis at Santol, Mr. President. Iba yung sitwasyon dun sa Mindanao, iba naman ang sitwasyon dito sa Taiwan Straits, Mr. President.
Mr. President, that's a
For example, we have about 200,000 overseas Filipinos in Taiwan. And so these live military exercises are a concern because an accident could lead towards, a shooting war, which we would, for the sake of our Filipinos overseas, we would like to ensure that nothing like that happens.
No, I agree with you, Mr. President. And I agree with your statement, and I agree na sana hindi invade yung Taiwan. What I'm saying is it's the duty of their diplomats na sumagot. So if there were 200,000 Chinese in Mindanao, and we had live exercises, i-invade yung Marawi, yung ating diplomat ay aangal pa rin sa Beijing because it's their duty. Diba? But to move on from that, Mr. President, okay, going back to Commodore Tariela, sa resolution nyo po kasi nakalagay dito in their performance of the official duties. So, tinanong ng ambassador ng China sa DFA, official ba yan? Which is tama and normal. So, if in Beijing, yung isang general doon ay maglabas ng caricature ni BBM, ipare-recall natin yung ambassador natin doon pag hindi siya nagtanong, nag-protest na bakit, at pag hindi sinabing official ba yon. Kasi yung Pangulo natin takes effort and time for good relations despite the dispute. Tapos yung general, naka-uniforme pa siya, on official time, will show this caricature. So my point, Mr. President, is naghahalo-halo kasi itong resolution na to kung ano tama't mali. Let's assume, I will not grant because hindi ko alam yung statements nyo, Mr. President. I have to admit that, okay? Pero naghahalo din yung statement si Tariela. We cannot pass this resolution saying that Commodore Tariela is correct because he's wrong. If he just simply stated, I love the Philippines, I will fight for our territory, I'll fight for our sovereignty rights, I will do my duty, but sorry, dahil uminit ulo ko, nilabas ko to, pero hindi official yan. Tapos tayo.
We beg to disagree, Mr. President, that Mr. Commodore Tariela is mistaken.
So-
we would not have put this resolution and authored it if we felt
See,
Mr.
so
Tariela.
that's what I want to elicit. So the authors of this resolution is saying, pwede. So kung ang official ng presidente is to have certain decorum sa presidente ng China, pwede yung isang general hindi sumunod. Ang sa kanya, bastusin natin yung Pangulo
Mr.
ng
President,
isang bansa.
that is his interpretation?
No. Bastos yun.
No, that is your interpretation.
No. So if I ask them now...
Mr. President, we beg to disagree.
Can you show the slide?
Mr. President, we beg
Mr.
to disagree.
President,
The Department of National
Mr. President,
Defense
tingnan nyo naman po.
has issued a statement condemning China's remarks, Mr.
No,
President.
we're not talking about... Mr. President, if you look at the DFA, it was also telling Tariela, but not directly.
It says,
It was saying, follow the decorum, Mr. President. Mr. President, kung ganyan ang stand natin, then my staff now can show a meme of you.
Mr. President,
Mr. President, dito ba sa... Let me ask that question.
Mr. President, I am not from China. Why will they put a meme? Why will your staff put
No,
a
it's
meme
not about
towards me?
China. It's about decorum.
You're comparing apples
Mr.
and
President,
oranges,
no,
Mr.
no, no, no.
President. You are simplifying what
Session is
is a
suspended for 1 minute.
complicated international.
Yan ang debate ng Philippine Senator at Senator. Di ba, mga kababayan? Kaya napapost si Attorney Jesus Falsi, sabi ni Senator Alan Cayetano niya, wala daw dapat bastusan sa foreign affairs. APC wants the Senate to condemn J. Tarila for making caricatures of Xi Jinping. Ay wow, nasaan ka APC nung bastos si Duterte, tsaka bastos ka noon as DFA Secretary? Sabi ko po, maganda yung aking proposal para mawala na tayong problema dito. Itong mga chinitor, siyam sila, pati mga supporters, i-deliver na natin tulad ng pag-deliver kay Digong sa Dahig. Pero sila, i-deliver natin pa Beijing, isang barko. Para tapos na mag full-time na silang propaganda laban sa atin. Diretso na silang tanggalan ng pagiging Filipino. Palit na sila ng citizenship. Mga Chinese na sila, pati pangalan. Di ba po? Ganun lang, para tapos na. Draw the line. You defend the interest of China, then dun ka. Tapos, sabi pa ni Atty. Palsis, live, Senator Marcoleta tries to lecture Justice Carpio and GOP Law Professor J. Batumbakal and says, sumasawsaw sa issue sila when they corrected him for saying give up KIG. And he still insists he did not say that. Disgusting, gaslighting. Sanay po sa pabalibaliktad na kwento. Ano ba po? Arap-arapan na pagsinungaling. Sinabi ngayon, maya-maya iba na. Deny na. Parang si Sara Duterte. Pinantaan yung ating Pangulo. Si Lisa Marcos saka si Martin. Then after nabantaan, ma-interview ng media. Hindi man kumanan niya ginawa yan. Hindi man ako niya nagbanta. May ganon, mga kababayan. Kasasabi lang. Si Marcoleta ganon din. Hindi daw niya sinabing i-surrender. Recorded po. Sabi ni Marcoleta, quoted out of context daw lang siya. May ganon. Anyway, yan po yung ating short video ngayon. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.